more stable. If they want that, I got a good deal on it. Knights on Bikes is a group of Knights of Columbus members that ride motorcycles, and we try to support the Order of the Knights of Columbus, the world's largest fraternal organization of men, through activities such as charity events. This is a motorcycle safety event we're at today. Unity and fraternity and patriotism. Those are the 4 pillars of the Knights of Columbus.
What we're doing today is we're looking at the promotion of Look Twice, especially when it comes to our motorcyclists. The reason with the Look Twice is you don't know who is on the motorcycle. There is a life on there. It could be a veteran, it could be a friend, in my case, a mom.
May is Motorcycle Awareness Month, and we want to get the word out that motorcycles are a little bit hard to see on the road. So we have a campaign called Look Twice for Motorcycles, and there's a life riding on it. So every time you get on the road as a motorist driving a vehicle, look twice for motorcycles and share the road. If you are a motorcyclist, do the same thing. Watch out for vehicles, and let's all work together to share the road and all be safe.